What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're looking at a special release from INNO64. It's their Lunar New Year release for 2026 Chinese Zodiac, aka animal sign themed diecast car. And if you want to take a wild guess, 2026 is the year of probably horse, because you can see the horse picture here. Also the Chinese character of the horse, Ma, that's how they say it. And you can't really tell what car it is in there yet. It does not say anything on the exterior of the package or the first layer of the package. And yeah, it's another over packaging product, and we can open this fancy box here, and here we go, another box, and it says 马月新春, which means horse leap into the new year, and something like that. There's a lot of Chinese themed elements around the packaging. For example, those clouds, like those golden trimmed clouds and mountains. You can see actually on this box you can tell, what did I see? I see something very Chinese themed. Here we go, some lanterns and flowers, yeah, all of those. And let's look into it. Another box. So if you bought INNO64 before, this is the box they usually get you. Only this like paper cutoff with a acrylic box. So Year of the Horse, I know that INNO64 had a Year of the Dragon before. That is 2 years ago, so they skip 1 year, which is the Year of the Snake. You know, even though we put a lot of good meanings in all those animals, right? For example, snake, that's what they skipped. That actually means agile. If you were born in this year of snake, it means you're going to be agile, smart, you know, very witty, that kind of a feeling. Still, there's like a hierarchy in Chinese people's mind. There are definitely more, some animals are definitely more preferable for most of the people. And actually a lot of people, especially older generation, they will actually timed or like a schedule their children's birth year. For example, if this year's this year's snake, they'll be like, okay, we can just wait for a little bit. Maybe the next year we can have a horse baby, you know, something like that. So for the dragon, it's definitely most popular one. Most of people like the Year of Dragon, you know, those mythical Chinese creatures, and everybody loves it. And the horse is another popular one, and tiger is pretty popular. So there's like a hierarchy thing going on here. So anyway, let's look at this box. 2026 Year of the Horse Special Edition. INNO64 is always licensed. And here's the back. You can see the clouds actually with the jade color and the jade color horse here. And let's take this out. And there's a card in the back. Again, it says like horses leap on the new year, and Happy New Year. All right, finally we can look at the car now. And let's take this off the base. Oops. Okay. So this base is very fancy too. You can see these patterns, and there's like some coin patterns here, which is also Chinese styled elements. Yeah. And here is the model. It is based on BMW E30 M3, and this is a Pandem modification kit, wide body kit here. So let's just give it a 360. And first impression is the very high quality gloss finish of the paint. I will move this reflection around the paint a little bit. You can see how smooth the paint is. Metallic glossy finish, very smooth. And let's start from the headlights as always. And these are just classic BMW circle lights here. And with this nostril, front grille. These are all individual pieces, so they're very nice. Even though the headlights does not have any internal bulb details, but the acrylic piece is very smooth. So at the bottom, there's more like these fun patterns here. I guess just some Chinese style. And that's actually, these are coins. I think these are just coins. These are old Chinese currency. And here are the fog lights, acrylic pieces as well. Look at these old air intakes here. Very nice. And on the hood, you can see the fireworks, the Pandem sign, and 新年快乐, which means Happy New Year. Beautiful. So on the side, it has the golden wheels here with the rubber tires. It rolls. It probably better than most of the INNO64 model, which it actually rolls a little bit. But again, not as smooth as a Mini GT, pop race. And here you can see the horse like stretches from the front door all the way to the back. And here Inno sign, Pandem sign. The paint is very high quality, very sharp, high resolution, looks pretty good. The side mirrors are just hard rubber, I think, with the silver stickers on it. And the windows looks like they're lightly tinted window, but you can see through. You can see the roll cage, steering wheels, race bucket seats, etc. And here's the wide body kit and all the rivet details. Even though they're just painted details, not actual little pieces here, still looks very good. The tires has a good tread textures. And moving to the back, again, 马月新春. Again, horses leap into New Year's again. You have this like a ducktail wing in the back. I think this is part of the Pandem modification here. Tail lights are acrylic pieces as well, so that's pretty good. License plate INNO64, separate pieces. And again, there are more coins here. Some clouds here. Actually, there's like a saying with a combination between the horses and the clouds in China. There's like some good meanings behind. It means horses going to hop onto the cloud and then just going up. That means like things is gonna get positive, you know, you're going to get better every day, you know, everything is going up. This side is about the same. You have this Pandem stickers in the back. Defrosting line. It's thin enough that you can still see through front and back. It's a little front splitter here, and I don't know if that's a canard or not, but just a tiny little bit. On top, Chinese character of horse and more clouds. There's no moving parts as always. Actually, I think their Mazda 787B has some moving parts, but they rarely do moving parts. If they do, it's gonna be super expensive. And in the bottom, exhausting pipes, muffler, that kind of stuff. I'm not sure if I can open this thing. Okay. Oh, there it is. So it's a metal body, and those wheels are integrated with the metal base. Oh, sorry, metal base and the wheels. Okay. Here's the interior. This is the metal body. Man, this is a beautiful car here. So interior, you can see, the race bucket seats, and they take out everything behind, you know, just to save the weight. Gear shift, dashboard, you know, all those kind of good stuff. There's no color separations anywhere. Oh, is it E30 here? Yeah, it doesn't, there's no engine details or anything, just the interior. So yeah, this is all I got for this episode, and yeah, it's kind of showing this car late, almost the next year. Next year is the year of the ram or year of the goat, and it's another good year. I don't know if INNO64 is gonna make a diecast for that, but we'll see. We will see. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I review all kinds of fun 64 scale diecast, and check out my playlist. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.